Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. In today's quick video, I am going to show you how to use the IFS formula in Google Sheets. It's perfect for handling multiple conditions in one formula. Let's get started. Here we have a list of student scores and we want to assign grades based on these scores using the IFS formula. Click on the cell where you want the grade to appear. For this example, let's use cell B2. Now type is equal if in cell A2 greater than is equal to 90 marks are present, the grade will be A. In cell A2 greater than is equal to 80 marks are present, the grade will be B. In cell A2 greater than is equal to 70 marks are present, the grade will be C. And in cell A2 greater than is equal to 60 marks are present, the grade will be D. And in cell A2 less than is equal to 60 marks are present, the grade will be F. And press enter. This formula checks each condition in order and assigns the correct grade. Now you can see the output is completely correct. The grade A is appear in cell B2. To apply the IFS formula to the rest of the scores, just drag the field handle down and that's it. You have now assigned grades based on multiple conditions using the IFS formula. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips.